Today, we'll be exploring how to find your course sites, and once you find them, how to make them your favorite so that every time you log on to Sakai, you'll be able to have immediate access to them. So, having put in our NetID and password and having already done multi-factor authentication, we log in. And once we do that, you'll see a number of course sites appear up here. Now, those are appearing up there because those are ones that I've been accessing in the past. And so once you're in the pattern of accessing a course site, it normally just appears by default. But in case you are having trouble finding it or it doesn't consistently appear, you go over to the top right corner where it says Sites and it has those 9 squares, and you click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. And if you scroll down to that, you'll see that some are starred, and in fact, the ones that appeared on the home screen when you first logged in are starred. And of course, if we unstar them and then go back out, they'll disappear eventually when you refresh. But we want to make sure that they are starred. So whatever course you have, you want to make sure it's starred so that every time you log in, it will appear. Now again, you can go back to home or refresh and you'll see one of those courses dropped out. And now just the courses that are starred are appearing on the home screen. That's how you access your course sites and to make them favorites. Check out the other videos for more information on, in addition to logging in, uploading documents, completing assignments, accessing readings and lectures. Thanks.